Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Abhilasha and today I will be showing you how to make curry chicken with some curry leaves. So for this I have taken some curry leaves, I have dry roasted it. I have taken some chopped onions, some garlic cloves, some ginger, some chilies and some potatoes and some masalas. So now we will be putting the curry leaves over the grinder. So as you can see, the leaves are absolutely grounded into fine powder. Needed. Now I'll put a bit of oil in the pan, put some garlic cloves. Time for some ginger cloves as well. You can more finely chop it, but I was running out of time, so I'm absolutely hungry. I will put the onions over here. That must be all. Now we put some masala over here because the onions have started to melt. So at first I'll put some garam masala powder. I'm using this small sachet because as you guys know, I'm staying in a hostel and I don't really need these things often. So using this garam masala powder, you can put as much as you like, but obviously not very much. You can put around 2 teaspoonfuls of masala and then eat it with a twist. So I'll put some Maggi masala over here. You know, Maggi masala in chicken is just delicious. So I'm putting some Maggi masala over here. Okay, and now time for the chicken. Now I will be putting the chicken over here. Well, now it's time for the potatoes to go over there. Actually, I almost forgot about the potatoes. Gladly, I remembered. Now, so that the chicken is cooked very nicely. Let it cook for some time. Now, I will be putting some salt. Salt releases a lot of water, so in order to avoid that in the beginning, so I have placed the salt at a later phase. You have to stir it nicely so that the salt gets in throughout the gravy. We have been waiting. Now this green curry leaves go inside the chicken. Okay. You have to stir it very nicely. Now you can add the green chili. If you don't like it spicy, then you may skip this step. But I'm putting this small chili over here as I'm also not a very spicy person. I mean, a person who likes to eat spice. So I have just placed just a small part of the chili. So now the chicken is well cooked and everything is well cooked. The potato is also well cooked. So I think it is apt to turn off the flame, and now it's ready for serving. And so our chicken is ready finally, and it is looking absolutely delicious. And I'm going to have this chicken with some vegetable pulao, but you can have it with some rice as well and with some chutney. And in order to make it in a spicy way, you can add some pepper. And if you want to make it in a tangy way, you can add some tomatoes. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and do suggest me what should I cook the next time. Thank you so much for watching my video.